Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot find any games in a Google Play Store on Asus ROG Phone 6D Ultimate. And to do this, first let's launch the Google Play Store and here try to find Call of Duty or any other game that you're looking for. And we can see the game right here, but if we click on it, nothing happens. So to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to your settings, enter family, then parental controls. Here either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games, insert the PIN code, and increase PG to 16 or 18. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if you look for your game again, it should be available to install right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.